Alright, this is my new horn relay. I plugged in the regular 3-prong plug to it. First I tested the plug again. I had one hot wire on out of the 3. And when I plugged it in halfway, I had two hot prongs. This bottom one in the corner, this bottom one here, there, and then this one by itself on this end. That was hot. Those two were hot when the 3-prong plug was plugged in. So I thought, well, I don't know, maybe the plug's bad. So I cut it and hooked wires to it, the same wires going correctly, but without the plug in case the plug had some rust in it. And I've still got the same readings of 12 volts at this one and 12 volts at that one and no volts at this one. That's with these wires connected as they're supposed to be. So I don't know, I've got the horn wire right here connected to both the horns, one wire each, and each horn has a ground that you're supposed to connect to the back side, and then of course it's grounded with the bolt. So I don't know what the issue is with my horn at this time. However, I got one more question. Not quite sure what this is, I can't remember, but this thing looks very old. What is this? I may need to change that. I don't know if it has anything to do with it, but maybe it does. Thank you.